Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the PHP arrays and its types and discussed about PHP arrays and its type. We discussed and went over to the index array and associative array and multi-dimensional array. So today one important topic we are discussing about the arrays that is called the sorting arrays. Okay, that how we sort the arrays. Okay, in what order we want to sort the arrays in ascending order, in descending order, in numeric order, in alphabetical order. We are discussing that one. So we have some sorting functions. We have the sort functions. Okay, we have a sort function. Okay, same like we have k sort, okay, r sort, okay. So these type of functions we will use to sort the arrays. So let's start and doing this in proper code that how we sort the arrays. So let's start doing coding in the PHP. First of all, the very important concept for declaring, you need to declare the array, and here you give the array name. Let's say the cars I have taken, okay, as a variable, and here in cars I need to give the various brands. Let's say first of all I'm giving the Volvo, okay, Volvo car I have taken, okay. I do not taking the that key, what is called. I'm do not taking the associative array. I'm just taking a simple array. So one more models we are giving that called the BMW. Okay. So others models, other car brands we are taking that is called the Mercedes. Okay. This brand I have taken. Now I am taking another brand that is called Ford. Okay. Another brand we are taking that is called the Toyota. Okay, so these brands I have taken, okay, in and I saved this in array. Do you remember I have taken the same data type, okay? Array always works from the same data type. You cannot store the different data types in one array, okay? Data type must be same in order to store in an array. So once I have declared this array, now what I need to do, I'm just calling the sort functions, okay? And this I'm telling what is a sort function and how it will sort your array. So here once I call the sort function, now here I need to give the variable where I store the array. So as I have taken the cars, okay, in order to store the array, so here I need to give that one. Once I did that one, what I need to do now, I need to calculate the length of first array, that how many numbers of items present in an array. So doing this one, what I'm taking, I'm just taking a variable name that is called the length. Okay, length. Okay, so I have taken length, and here I am calling the count function. Actually, it will count the number of items present in an array. So here I need to give the that variable where I stored in an array. So here I am just calling the cars. Okay, I stored the cars. Okay, so once I call this count function, now it's a time to use the loop. Okay, loop actually checks. Loop actually, you say sort the array. Okay, sort the array, we are using the loop. So for loop we are commonly used. So here I need to give what I am taking I equals to 0. I do not change to anything. Okay. And here I need to give the less than or equals to this length variable. Okay. This length variable I have taken. So and increment is fine. Now here what I need to do, I'm just displaying in echo that echo what you need to display that variable name which you have taken and where you stored an array, that is the cars, and then you return this dollar I for loop one. So once I have created this one, here I am giving the echo another one for different line separation, okay, in different to display different result. So once I have taken this one, now we'll see that how we'll sort the function. Okay, how it will sort it for us. Actually, it will sort the things now for us. Now I need to save the file and I need to go back in my browser and we'll see that how it will sort this particular array for us. I need to refresh the page, and as you see, it is sorted successfully. And how it starts from the in alphabet order. Okay, it actually sorted in alphabet order, you say in ascending order. Okay, it starts from B, then F, then M, like in alphabets. Okay, like A comes first before B, same like F comes after the B. Okay, and same like V comes after T. Okay, so this is actually it sorts the array. Now we need to go back in the code and let's try to demonstrate and illustrate that how this I have created. Okay. First of all, what I need to do, I have declared an array where I store the multiple values for, so where I store multiple brands for cars. I store one for BMW, Mercedes, Ford, and Toyota. Once I have put in this array, what I did, I actually called the sort function that actually works. I sort the function and inside that function, I given the variable name where I stored the array, that is the car. Once I did this, then I declared another variable which actually counts the number of items present in an array. Actually, it contains one, two, three, four, five. Okay, four items present. So this function actually counts the number of items present in an array and store this length and store will store in this length variable. So once I store this one, then I use the loop. Actually, loops are you say arrange apply the sort function. Actually, it will apply the sort function and then arrange in ascending order. Okay. So I have declared the loop, and here I in condition I just need that whatever you sort just save in this variable. So once I save this variable here, I call the variable array name where I stored, and then I said that the result you sorted and you stored just display. Okay, and this line I use for different lines. Okay, if I did not use it, will display all my result in one line. So I do not want to do. I just want to display each and every result on a different line. So that's why I use this. Um, breaks table. So this is actually the sort functions work. Same like we have other sort functions as well. Okay, we can sort the numbers as well. Okay, so we are applying that one also. Here, what I need to do, I'm not doing anything. I'm just taking a, let's say, I'm just taking a numbers here instead for this one. I'm taking a various variable numbers. Let's say I'm taking three. Okay, then I am taking five. Okay, so five, and then I'm taking, let's say, nine. Okay. Then here I'm taking one. Then I am taking 2.1. Okay. So these you say numbers I have created. Now we do not need to do anything. We are just saving the file. Okay. My every variable name is same. Now just need to go back in my browser and we'll see will it will sort the numbers for me or not. As you see, numbers has sorted successfully. This is how this sort functions works. Okay. You need to define the arrays. You need to count the number of items present in it, then stored in a variable. Okay, then you call the loop for iteration, and then simple you display. So this is how your sort functions work. This is how you sort. Same like you can sort the arrays in descending order. This is the ascending one which we discussed. We can sort the arrays in descending order using the rsort function. Okay, if I change it here and I am saying just use the rsort function. So once I use the rsort functions, what it will show, it will actually arrange the arrays in descending order, okay, in decreasing order, you see. So if I need to go back in my browser and we'll see now it arranges the arrays in descending order. It starts from the greater number, then come lowest, 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 and in least it will show the minimum number. It starts from max and go to min function, okay, min number. So this is how you use the rsort functions. Okay, this is how you sort the arrays in descending order using the rsort functions. Same like uh, uh, we uh, we can sort arrays in ascending order according to the k sort. Okay, k sort means key sort. Okay, the one array we discussed in last video that was about to the associative array. That associative array is the key values, that how you store that this arrays contains the key. Okay, every value has a key. So we can use the k sort functions especially for that associative array. So we are just using a little bit here. Okay, I'm just controlling this ZR. I'm taking the card brands again. So I have taken these card brands again, and here I am not giving anything. Here I just need to give, I'm just taking a less brand. Okay, here I need to give, let's say, the model for this one. For Volvo brand, we have 19 models. Sorry, I'm just taking 19, not writing the big one. I'm just removing this, the last one, Toyota. Okay, God, it will be quite lengthy. So I have taken this one, and for this model, I have, for example, BM model is 23. Okay, and Mercedes model. Okay, we are removing this one also. Okay, in order to make the things easy for you. Okay, so this brand, let's say I have for Mercedes model is 11 model. So I have, as you see, every item I saved, it has a unique key. Sorry, it has key, and that key has a unique value, as Volvo is the key, and this key has a unique value, that is 19. Same like BMW has a key, and it has a unique value we stored in 23. Okay, so this is an example of the associative array. So we are using this one. Now what I need to do, I'm just using the case sort function. I'm just using the case sort. Once I use the case sort functions, what I need to do, the rest of the things we do nothing. And here one, uh, we need to change a little bit thing, okay, because we are using here case sort functions, key concept. So we remember one important loop we discussed, especially for arrays, that is called the for each loop. So for each loop concept, we use it here in order to use this for each. So I'm calling this for each loop. This actually works especially on arrays. So here I need to give the variable names, as I have the variable names cars as dollar key. Let's say has dollar key. I'm taking any variable, that is, let's say I'm taking X. Okay. So once I have taken as X, and here I need to give the x1 also, and here I'm taking the underscore as well. Okay, so once I have taken the value inside in it, now what I need to do, I'm just saying echo. uh, Once I have taken this echo, what I need to do here, I'm saying just display the key for me, and key, then dot, I'm taking what is the variable I have taken, that is dollar x, then dot, and then what I need to do, sorry, I need to do this one. Okay, comma. Now I need to give the value. Okay, so once I have given the value equals, then again chords, okay, then dot, and what I need to display the dollar variable which I have declared, this one. So once I have taken this one, now what I need to do, I need to display one more echo, that is for the separate line, that is called the BR statement. So this is actually how we have created associative array using the case sort function. What I did, I have taken the arrays as it is, but we remember every key has a unique value I have taken, and I called the case sort function. And this special loop I used because I explained this loop while we were discussing about the loops, that for each loops always works on the array. So that's why here I use the for each loop. For each loop, I need to give the key. Okay, the unique key where I identify. That's why I have taken the dollar $X, so you can take the key as it is. And then here I stored a particular value I stored in that key. So here I just call the key, then I declare the key as it is, and then I call the value, simple. Now I need to save the file, and we'll see how the case sort function works and apply on the screen. We'll see will it display, as you see, BMW, and it has a value 3. Same like we have the model Mercedes, and it has a value 11. Okay, this is actually the key. Volvo, actually that is displaying the key. The key is BMW, and it has a corresponding value of 23. Same like we have a key of Mercedes, and we save the value 11 in it. Same like we have the Volvo key, and we have the value stored inside in it is 19. So this is how your case sort functions works. Okay, nothing is difficult. If you want to remove this key, nothing, no problem. It doesn't display an error. Fine. Okay, if you do not want to display the key item, it is making confusion, just ignore. It will never display an error. As you see, BMW is the key, and value is the, actually BMW is the key, and the value we stored inside it is actually the number, is actually the model of the car I have stored. So this is how your case sort functions works. This is how you sort the functions. Okay, So we discussed today about the sort functions, rsort functions, and ksort function. And we have more sorting functions as well. Okay, we have the a sort functions, we have a r sort functions, we have k r sort functions. Okay, so we discussed the rest of, I think we left three more types which we need to discuss. Three types we already discussed in this video, and three more types we will discuss in next video, that how A sort will work, how A R sort will work, and how K R sort will work. So guys, I hope so today's lecture is clear to you. Very, very simple. Okay, we need to just declare the array. Okay, we need to count the number of items. Then we use the loop in order to iterate or in order to display in the sorting function whatever the sort function we applied. So guys, if you like my video, kindly do like, subscribe, and share. Meet you next video. Take care.